CSS Pseudo Elements, powerful tools for adding stylistic elements to your web pages without pushing any extra elements to HTML. Pseudo elements allow you to style specific parts of an element rather than the whole element itself. To use a pseudo element, you simply add it to the end of the element you want to style, separated by a double colon. Before and after pseudo elements allow you to insert content before or after an element. This can be useful for adding decorative items such as asterisks for necessary items, quotation marks, or icons. Using placeholder pseudo element allows you to style the text inside an input field, like the ones you see right now. Selector pseudo class allows you to style the selection of the text, and there are even more like first line, first letter, or even grammatical error, but to be honest, you won't be using them that much. So in general, pseudo elements can be used in combination with other selectors and properties to create some unique and interesting effects. Hi, I'm Eric from Codeburg, and thank you for watching.